In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yotpo reviews to Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. Once you're in the app search, type Yotpo and press enter on your keyboard. This is the quickest way to jump directly to the app you need without browsing through menus. You'll be taken to the Shopify App Store with search results for Yotpo. Look for the app called Yotpo Product Reviews. Click on that result to open the app's information page. Here, you can quickly review what the app does, but when you're ready, click the Install button. Follow the installation prompts and the onboarding process that appears. This will typically include connecting your store and confirming permissions, so just go through each screen until it's complete. Once the installation and onboarding are finished, Yotpo will automatically start syncing your products and any existing reviews it can pull in. When that's done, you'll see Yotpo's dashboard embedded inside Shopify. Near the top right of this dashboard, look for a button that says Go to Yotpo Reviews. Click that, and it will open Yotpo's full dashboard in a new browser tab. Inside the Yotpo website, focus on the left-hand panel. If you click on Reviews, you'll see your product reviews on the right side. This is also where you can import reviews if you have them from another platform. If you click on Emails, it will expand to show more options. From there, you can customize your review request emails, check their status, and see how your site reviews are performing. If you click On-Site Widgets, you'll open your widget library where you can add new review widgets or edit existing ones to match your branding. You'll also notice other sections like Analytics, Insights, Google and Syndication, Integrations, and the Retention Dashboard, which you can explore later for more advanced optimization. Next, let's make sure Yotpo is actually visible on your storefront. Go back to your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Online Store, then open your current theme by clicking Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see a page selector, which is usually set to Home Page by default. Click that selector, choose Products, and then select Default Product. This tells Shopify you want to edit the layout of your product page. On the left side of the theme editor, find the icon for App Embeds, which sits just below the gear icon, and click it. Look for Yotpo Reviews in the list of app embeds and make sure it's toggled on. Enabling this ensures Yotpo can display its widgets on your product pages. Now, click the Sections icon, which is just above the gear icon. Under the template area, find your product information section. Click the small arrow next to it to expand and reveal the blocks inside that section. In the list of blocks, you should see one labeled something like Star Ratings. This block is the Yotpo Star Rating widget. When it's enabled, you'll notice star ratings appear near the product title or price in the live preview on the right. You might also see a separate Apps section that contains a Reviews widget. This is another Yotpo element that shows the full list of customer reviews and the review form on the product page. Check the preview on the right side of the screen to confirm that the reviews section appears where you want it and that it looks correct. You can drag these sections up or down in the layout if you'd like to adjust their position on the page. Once you are happy with how everything looks and you've confirmed that the Yotpo widgets are enabled and visible, go to the top right of the theme editor and click Save. This publishes your changes, and your Yotpo reviews and star ratings will now be live on your Shopify product pages.